Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing just a very chill makeup look. I'm not even going to be wearing a wig. I'm not going to change my outfit. I'm just wearing my comfy cropped hoodie because all I'm doing today is cleaning, packing, and making content. So I'm just going to do something very simple. Yeah, so I'm going to get started. This would be, I would say this look is gonna be just if you were like, oh hey, let's go to dinner, let's do like cute top with jeans look. Like nothing over the top, crazy, insane, like in terms of eye makeup, just definitely like wearing makeup, but a little bit more elevated than an everyday look. A little concealer on these guys too because, whew, I've been getting really big breakouts lately, like almost cystic kind of things, just like a lot of fluid, and they hurt so bad, but thank God for pimple patches. Put my concealer under my foundation today as well. I don't want the foundation to be too heavy, so everything's gonna go underneath it. And in that same vein, while we're here, let's just prime everything. I have little foundation brush here that we're going to use for this. I'm in my anti-buying and like finishing up things. Like I'm unhauling everything. Like and I'm doing it for other people too. Like I was at my parents yesterday and I went through their spice rack, and you know how you always have spices on your shelf that you don't really use, and then you look at the expiration date and it was like 15 years ago. Yeah, that's what we did yesterday. And then we also went through like the pantry, which had so much stuff on it that just needed to go. So we did that, and then I did that today in my own kitchen. And then I want to do it with my makeup. Now granted, I don't do the whole like, oh, I opened this 6 months ago, I'm gonna throw it away if it's like full thing, but I am trying to like, you know, like this is nearly gone, so I'm going to use this as much as possible. This concealer is getting low, which it's my only concealer, so I'm going to use it. Or just things I've maybe used once or twice and wasn't real sure about, so using those and deciding if I want them or not. And then I'm just putting on liquid blush, and like I said, I'm gonna put foundation over top of this. I'm gonna let this dry down so it doesn't smudge like all over when I go to do my foundation and such. But yeah, so I'm like, today I'm using this Revolution palette I've had for a while that I don't really use. Like I'm not gonna buy anything new. The only things I've bought makeup wise, I bought a new foundation because I needed a better one for my dance recital that's coming up. I needed like, all mine are like dewy, and I definitely need a more matte, full coverage, like stage ready foundation. And then I got a waterproof mascara and a primer. Because yes, this serum primer is great, but it is not like grippy stage makeup primer. So I got the Power Grip in matte. They have a new matte one. So I did get that. I honestly can't think off the top of my head what else I'm filming today. Obviously this, I'm gonna film for my other channel. I kind of lost my train of thought there. So I'm just focused on covering up this liquid blush, which obviously it is under the foundation. When you do it like that and then you put the foundation over top, it's just this nice little glow. Oh, I've been using like a gradual tanner. You can't see it because I haven't been putting it on my neck much, but it's probably hard to see anyway on camera, because I have so many open back costumes, and like I said, I did not want to be blinding people on stage with my paleness. So I'm doing a gradual tanner instead of the like self tanner thing, because self tanner is such a pain. Anyone who's like, oh, it's so easy, no, it's not. Like, it is such a pain. And to get it not streaky, even with the foam, even if it's like non-streaky formula, it's still, no matter how good you are at it, unless literally you have someone else doing it for you, it's a pain and it gets on everything. So, and I'm wearing white costume, so I'm like, no, I need something that's gonna like stay on my skin. I just need something, so I'm just gonna take like a tan out of this palette, put it on my lid. I don't even know that I want to do anything else with that. I think the eyes look pretty good. Like, I'm really not feeling anything heavy today. Even liner, I grabbed like my tiniest winged line, or my tiniest pencil. And this liner is nice because it's a brownish black. Simple wing. I can't not do a wing. I don't know. I feel like if I do makeup without a wing, it doesn't feel finished. Mascara, I might use Kylie Cosmetics one. I used it once and wasn't a huge fan, so I'm gonna give it another shot. I mean, it's just a sample size. Like, I didn't pay anything for it, so it's not like it's hurting my wallet. This is supposed to be like a wispy lash, and I'm like, if that means spider lashes, then yeah, it's wispy. Just putting on a little powder so nothing moves around too much, because I am gonna be filming. So I'm just gonna do a little blush because, again, I feel naked without blush, and the one I'm using is like this bronzy brick one, so it kind of highlights and bronzes. I love this stuff. I like to take it up around the temples too. So I guess I am contouring. I'm just doing it with a different product. But I think it looks so pretty around the hairline. Be simple. Simple summer makeup. For my lips, I wanted to use something kind of spicy. I feel like that kind of fits this look, like a spicy orange. This is it. Like I said, very simple. The lip, I think, makes it look like a lot more than what it is, but maybe that's kind of the beauty of it. Is this was what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 products, and it looks like, I mean, yes, it is a full face. There's blush, there's concealer, there's eyes and everything, but like, that did not take me very long. 10 products, and it's a nice little put together look. So, you know, make this your summer go-to if you feel so inclined. And yes, I'm still using the Care Bear bag. I don't know if you guys saw this, but I love it, and I want a Grumpy Bear one as well, because I just traveled with this and it was so nice to have everything fit so easily into my bag. So yeah, I want a Grumpy Bear version, but they don't have one. They only have pink, purple, and yellow. I need a Grumpy Bear. Like, come on, Care Bears, get it together. But yeah, so that's it for today. Make sure you watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys soon.